Hey there, it's Megan, and today I'm going to show y'all how to draw Hilda and Twig from Netflix's series Hilda, which is based on the Luke Pearson comics called Hilda Folk, I believe. And it's all very cute and good stuff. So, let's see. So what I had here to start was I made a couple image references where it was like one from the actual show, and then a couple from the comics. And then I did a really rough sketch here. So, to start then, is what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line for the spine that also kind of gives the direction of character. For both of these, for our dear fox friend and Hilda. And then after you do that, you're going to go and draw a circle for her head. And another sort of squash circle or square or couple for her body. And I just went and did some quick triangles and sticks for the feet and balls for the hands. And I also did circles for Twig's body and legs. And then when you do that, turn that off because it's distracting me. You're going to go and add another set of circles on top here. Because we're going to give Twig a snout and some ears. Also, it's totally okay to go and throw in little balls for the joints that help you thicken things up later. So that the legs aren't literally just sticks, like Elfer, who is the paperwork obsessed elf, but I suppose all elves are paperwork obsessed, so, you know. Then after that's done, you can go ahead and thicken that so that she actually has visible limbs that aren't just sticks. And give her her sweater and skirt and boots. And Twig's very fluffy tail. And the fluff on his front. And ears and stuff. And then when you've got those details done, kind of can go in and add hair and other details. Like here I went and threw in a really rough version of the scarf and her hair and the eyes and where her mouth would be and the beret. And then did a little bit of a cleanup detail. And also did details on Twig. Clean up, like figure out where his antlers are and do the eyes. And then after that I did some neater line work, which ends up bringing it to look something like that. And then when I went ahead and did some really quick flat colors. So yeah, I think that gives an idea. I mean, why don't I also draw Put alpha in here, because why not? Always just a square and a circle on top of a square with a little pointy hat and pointy ears. And stick arms and stick legs. Tiny notebook. And an itty bitty piece of charcoal. Don't like that. I don't think the eyes are so accurate at all. But hey. Doodling an elf with no explanation as for why he's just sitting in the middle of the canvas. Whatever. But, yeah, basically this whole thing is just a lot of simplified shapes and then going and refining those details and then cleaning things up afterwards. So I hope that gives you an idea of how to draw Hilda, and you have a swell day. Bye for now.